Well, hi there. In this video, we're going to do a what-if analysis using data tables in Microsoft Excel. Now, the kind of what-if analysis is a break-even analysis. And you usually do a break-even analysis when you want to know how many things you need to sell, or in our case, how many patients we need in a year to break even, to have a zero profit. But we don't want a zero profit. We want to know how many patients we'll need to see in order to reach our target profit of $350,000. To do this with data tables, what we need to do is we're going to come up with a series of values that we want to try, the values of numbers of patient cases. And so I want to try 150, 160, 170, 180, and 190. And I'll go ahead and put 200 in there. All right, so what the data table is going to do, it's going to try each of those values in here and calculate the profit, and it'll give us the profit right here. And so it knows what to do. We're going to need to put the calculation for profit, which is B10 minus B6, in this field right here. So we're going to put that B10 minus B6, and it should be the same number. So right now we're negative $250,000 per year. To run this, we're going to select this whole space, including the formula that we want to check these numbers by. We'll go to Data, in the menu, What If Analysis, Data Table. And then the only tricky part to this is you have to know if you're going to select rows or columns. If they're lined up like a column like this, or lined up side to side like a row, these are lined up like a column, and so we're going to select column, and the value that we want to test these numbers at, the cell, is this number of patient cases right here. So it's B8. We say OK, and for each of these numbers, it's going to calculate the formula right above here, which is our profit. And you can see which one of these we come closest to $350,000. Now, this is doing a what-if analysis with data tables is a little less efficient than some other alternatives, because you don't know exactly how many patients we need to see. It's between 190 and 200. Now, if you wanted, you could do this again using more specific numbers, 190, 191, 192, 193, and it will tell you that way. Or you can use an alternate method such as Solver to get an exact number right from the start.